Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to take a look at a product that I bought while I was on a staycation in Britain. And I think it's a pretty good product, so I thought I'd share it with you. Yeah, so recently I've been staying in the UK, a couple of days away on holiday. So this is what I bought. If you are not from the UK, there's a supermarket called Morrisons. Went into Morrisons, and where we were staying, we couldn't really have the windows open for any fresh air at night because there was a chance that some woodland dwellers might get in. So we thought we'd get a fan, and this was £23 in the UK. So obviously I've used it, but I've repackaged it something like how it was in the shop, so I can unpackage it for you and show you what you get. So let's take a little look. So let's have a look at the old packaging first. It tells you a bit about it. It's a Daewoo. Now, I thought Daewoo used to make cars and big ships, but now they make fans. And I just picked it up and I didn't even see that it was a USB rechargeable thing, so that was even better. So there's the packaging. So first thing you get on top is this little charger, which I didn't use actually because I had a USB socket next to me, so I just plugged it into that. Another bit of packaging. There's your lead. Some instructions, which we shall come back to. And then here we have bits of packaging. Goodbye. So this is it. 23 quid, and it's very versatile. So this is it in its sort of closed formation. So you can lift it up, and then to set it there, you screw this down. Can you see there? That kind of locks it in place. So now you can have your head where you want it. Hold it there somewhere so you can see it. So it doesn't really rotate on that axis. So, but obviously you can move the base around. To get the fan started, and then I don't know if you can see that, it's got a little blue LED telling you what speed it's on. 2, 3, it just cycles up and down, and then that one, standby button, turns it off. Being USB, it obviously has some advantages over something like this great big colossal thing. Now, yes, on number 3 setting, this thing will blow your socks off if you're too close to it. It does have the advantage of having the swivel, so it can do the whole room instead of just one place. But obviously you can't take this, you can't put this on your desk if all your sockets are used up, or your desk at work, or in your car even, or at a picnic. If you go out for a picnic, you couldn't take this with you. But this thing, oh, that's lovely. But this thing has solved that for you because it's USB and it's all rechargeable. So at 23 quid, I think it is actually just a touch more expensive than this. If I remember rightly, these things are going for like $19.99, but I'm sure I've seen them cheaper because they are a pretty mass-produced thing, as well as your little charging hole there. It's also got these little legs, and in the instructions, all it says is legs for stabilising. So that's that and that. Not that I've found it was unstable, but maybe when we extend this, I'll show you that being extended in a moment. Maybe it needs a bit more support at the back, maybe. But also, if you so wished, you could probably attach it to the wall with that, maybe. And you could have it sat on the wall if you wanted. So we'll just put those in for a minute. And then the other thing that it does, it actually, God, jeez, it does that. So now with it being quite top heavy, now the stabilising legs make sense. Jeez. Look, it's so tall I can't even get in the shot. That's crazy. Look, there's the base. All the way down to the head. So that's sat on the floor now, so I could actually have it on the floor facing up at me. Oh, I do like that, it's really good. So I don't know if you can hear that, but that's on 1, 2, 3, and that's right up against the microphone. That's not too horrendous a noise, and I can speak to you pretty normally with that. Whereas this thing, this makes a hell of a din in a room, and if you were right next to it, you'd have to really speak up to be able to be heard. So that's it. Let me know what you think. I think that's a really good product. The only downside is it doesn't oscillate, but I don't think that's a downside. I don't think it's meant to be like the other one to do a whole room. This is specific, close to your face, on your desk, bedside table, something like that, bedside cabinet. Yeah, I think it's really good. Let me know if you've seen it. Let me know if you've got one. Right, I'll catch you again. Cheers.